Hey, hi, good day, everyone. My name is Henry Yin. Um, Today, I would like to show you three demonstration about Train Agent Expert 12306. In short, I call it TAE. So first of all, it's about the agenda. So I would like to go through the background and then how am I going to check the train schedule, ticket pricing, and availability. And after that, followed by three quick demonstration. First of all is go to the website directly to check for you. The second one is actually using the studio platform and then to run the agentic AI agent via the MCP, either using the cloud LLM or maybe the local LLM such as running on Olama. Demo number three is actually I host everything in the cloud. So it means that even though the studio platform, I don't run it in my PC or computer, and I run it in either Hugging Face, and actually I'm running on Model Scope. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all, I would like to give you some background. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to travel to China first time to take the high-speed train between cities. So in China, actually, most of the city they have at least two train station. I mean the high speed train station. Some of them even have more as well. Okay, so in order to do it, to do it maybe easier for me, first time traveler, and I decided to learn something using the AI or the MCP. Oh, MCP by the way stand for Model Content Protocol. Okay, so I already said two questions in Chinese because at the same time I also want to sharpening my Chinese so that I could do better and learn more culture while I'm in the China and to talk to the local and learn from the local as well. Okay, so I have two questions I set it up or two query I set up to ask the 12306 system. Uh, Both of them are the same timing. Actually, is coming Sunday, September 28th, in the morning, 8 to 12 o'clock. And then the first one I asked from Chongqing Bay, means Chongqing North Station, to go to Chengdu East Station. Okay, I want to know all the high-speed train schedule, and then please give me the timing, the pricing, and the remainder ticket, means availability of the ticket. Okay, second one I want to ask is, how about if I decide to go from Hong Kong to Chongqing Bay Station, and then I want this also the same thing, all the high-speed train, and also give me all the schedule, pricing, and the remainder available ticket as well. Okay, so let's do a quick one. Okay, so the website actually for 12306 is actually 12306.cn. Okay, let's say I put the first question. I want to go from Chongqing Bay to Chengdu Dong. I already type it in and I select the timing and also selected the high-speed train. So I click on it. That will take some time because the website is actually hosted in mainland China. And when you come in here, you find, wow, so many trains. Okay, no, actually, there's only three of them. So first of all, you need to come into here. You need to uh, uh, f- continues to filter it because the Chongqing Bay here, you need to select by yourself again. And then the Chengdu Dong is actually here. Okay, then on the timing, you need to select, unfortunately, there's no 8 to 12, so you need to select 6 to 12. So roughly after that, you will have about um, three of them. Okay, so and then why you see some of them, it could be four of them because some of them actually may not be really available. Okay, so here we see five, but actually I think there's only four of them. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the reason is because the high-speed train by why it should be only G. Okay, the D one here actually is the electric one. So if I remove the electric one, so actually only left four. The C one actually is the wrong timing. Okay, so you remember there are four of them here, and then this is available ticket. Okay, then same thing for the Hong Kong one. I think I already did it because it takes some time. So Hong Kong, unfortunately, they do not have the station that I want, like Chongqing Bay, they don't have it. So they only give it to me is the Chongqing C. it means that the western station instead of the northern station. Okay, so this is one of the thing um, we remember. Okay, so we see the website how it looks like, and then we also understand the first question. It will give me 4 train, and then the second one is actually they give me 1 train, and then it's not exactly to go to where I want. So between Chongqing Sea to Chongqing Bay, roughly is about 20 kilometers away. Okay, so if you get to the wrong station you did not know, then you may be worried and then need to look around for taxi and other transport. But if you already know something in mind, then you can prepare to maybe book a taxi or maybe find other local like, subway to go to the station that you need. Okay, so I want to show the demo to you is using Cherry Studio. Okay, Cherry Studio basically is a platform you can download it. What you need to do is, for example, if I want Cherry Studio, is just need to search Cherry Studio. Okay, I think there's a Y there, and then they will bring me to the website, and then from there, I will be able to download the client. Okay, it's free of charge, but you just need to download the corresponding client that you need, and then after that you install it. Okay, so I will quickly run through with you. Actually, I already run some of the thing already. Okay, so maybe I quickly run through with you what is the setup you require. First of all, you need to enable the 12306 MCP. How to enable it basically is you need to add the JSON file here. This is a JSON file. Okay, where to get this particular JSON thing is actually, if you search the GitHub, look for Juco. If you don't know Juco, doesn't matter. You just search 12306 GitHub, and Juco, I think, already put up. This is the JSON file, and then you realize it's using Node.js. Okay, so then you just paste it here, and then you go back to the home, and then you find that you will find the MCP here. Okay, enable the sequential thinking is optional. If you do not want to turn it on, it's also fine. Okay, so first of all, I want to show it to you. Already did a demo, which is the first question from Chongqing Bay to go to Chengdu Dong. Okay, they really find out there are 3 trains. Okay, so in the demo, actually they find 4. Okay, so let me see which one. I think uh, one of them here is not correct. Okay, you know why? Because I'm asking for the timing is actually 8 o'clock. So this one is actually 7:13. So actually the correct one, it should be only 3 of them, which is both are correct because on the website we do not have a selection to filter out from 8 o'clock, only can be from 6 o'clock. So that's why we have a lot of other non-related train that from here. So this is also one of the reasons why I want to using the AI to do it for me. Then it can even to customize better as well. Okay, so now I let me try again because early on I did this one. So I try again to ask for this Hong Kong to Chongqing Bay to see what is the result. It will take some time, but no worry. Okay, so I just resend the question. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, while we are waiting for the result to come out, I want to show you the third demonstration, which is using the hosted platform. It means that everything I will host it into model scope, or you can use it Hugging Face as well. Okay, so you see it's already in action. They call the MCP. The MCP is actually from here. Okay, they already call this MCP. And then now I want to quickly show you on the 12306 hosted in model scope. Okay, so here already do one of the testing. I show the Hong Kong to Chongqing. Okay, why not I do another one, which is the Chongqing Bay to Chengdu Dong. I already preset the question here so that you click here and then the question will paste here and then you just click send. If they give you an error, then no worry. You just need to click the this one to clean the conversation, the middle of this button. The reason is because I'm using the free version hosted into ModelScope. And then I think they have some timeout. If the thing timeout, then it will take maybe 10 minutes to rerun the Ubuntu Bahai. Okay, behind the scenes actually running Ubuntu. Okay, so this is it will take some time. Okay, so while it's waiting for it to run, and then this is the Cherry Studio, and then we'll try to get all the station code, and then also get the name, and also check the availability of the ticket. And after that, they will formalize it, and then give me a table is something like this one. And I expecting the result will be quite similar to this one as well. Okay, so just give it some time, so it will be generating, and then yeah, you see the one is coming out. So this one is actually checking from Hong Kong to Chongqing Sea, and then I think I was expecting they tell me cannot reach out to Chongqing uh, Bay because the train is actually stopped at the sea. Okay, so they really tell me about that. So then to remind me, I may need to find my own way or to take a taxi or something else to connect to where's the station. Okay, they give me the distance about 15 kilometers away. Okay, between the Chongqing Bay to the Chongqing Sea station. Okay, while the other side also completed, while we are waiting to completed. Remember, this is from the Chongqing Bay to Chengdu Dong. Okay, there are only 3 trains. Okay, so they give me the timing, which is correct, 8 to 12 o'clock, and then the duration of the journey, and also the business class, first class, and second class, and also tell me the availability of the remainder ticket at real time. Okay, so this is all for the demo. So let me summarize it. Okay, so first I demonstrate the website. Okay, 12306.cn, and then it can give me the result, which is quite okay, but I need to do a lot of filtering. Okay. Um, the second one is I using the Cherry Studio. Okay, if you prefer to using your own studio, like maybe Copilot Studio, which is commercial one, or maybe another consumer grade like GPT for all, it is fine. It is a similar thing, but just depends on what's your preferences. Okay, so this is Cherry Studio. And then the last but not least is I host everything into the model scope, and then I can get the similar result. So this is all my demonstration. And then if you have any question or any suggestion, please do send it to henryyuan@gmail.com. And I appreciate it for all your feedback in advance. And thank you for your time as well. Then have a good day. Thank you.